In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Spark to Todoist, so the emails sitting in your inbox can turn into real, trackable tasks instead of slipping through the cracks. It only takes about a minute, and you set it up once. Let's start from anywhere inside Todoist. First, press the letter O on your keyboard to open the menu, then the letter S to jump straight into your settings. When the settings panel opens, you'll see a list down the side with Account, General, Theme, and more. Go ahead and click Integrations. This is the home for every connection Todoist can make with the other tools you already use every day. At the top, you'll see 3 tabs: Installed, Browse, and Developer. Click the Browse tab. This opens the full gallery of available integrations, a long alphabetical list of apps that plug straight into Todoist. Scroll until you find Spark, then click it to open its page. Spark is a popular email app from Reddle, and this is where the two tools shake hands. On the Spark page, click the green Connect button. A new window opens asking you to sign into your Spark account and approve the connection. Sign in, then approve. Todoist never sees your password. It only gets permission to receive the tasks you send it. Once it's linked, the magic is simple. Inside Spark, you take any email and send it straight to Todoist as a task, with a link back to the original message. No more copying subject lines by hand. No more forgetting the one reply you owed someone. That's the whole setup. Connect it once, and your inbox and your to-do list finally start talking to each other. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.